I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing the old pad right now. Grip the pad edge near the seam, then pull outward and slightly up. Slow and steady prevents tearing. As you work, feel for the retaining lip or plastic ring holding the pad. Once you clear that, the pad will release in one piece. Keep the headphone on a flat surface. You need both hands. This step matters because a clean, intact removal preserves the frame and makes the new pad fit properly, so don't rush it. Now you prepare and align the replacement pad. First, locate the pad's retaining ring and match its notch to the headphone's alignment mark. Once matched, stretch the pad's skirt gently over one quadrant of the ring, then move to the opposite quadrant. This balances tension. Make sure the speaker opening lines up with the ear cup hole. You do this because even tension avoids gaps and uneven seals, which affect comfort and sound. Take your time. Consistent pressure ensures a secure. Finish by seating the pad fully and testing fit. Press the pad lip into the ring in a circular motion until you hear or feel clicks. Make sure there are no lifted edges. Once seated, put the headphones on and play audio at low volume to confirm seal and driver alignment. If sound is muffled or bass is weak, reseat the quadrant with the issue or inspect the retaining clip for damage. If a clip is broken, you'll need a replacement ring to restore proper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.